Hello, welcome back to the LZ, and welcome back to the channel. We're doing some more Dagger Directive, and we're going to take out these drug-dealing cartel guys.
The town is to the east.
Ooh.
Move quickly to reach.
No, but hello and welcome back. You think I can jump out without getting hurt?
Fucking go, go, go!
I know that wasn't a super cool jump, but you've got to be careful because this game and falling damage are very real. What? Oh shit, right off the bat. Those two guys, by the way. I'm pretty sure they travel in packs. That's the one I want. Hit him with the... Oh, a little too high. That's the one. And that's the other. Alright. Well, like I said, welcome back to Dagger Directive. This game is absolutely phenomenal. It's very fun. Especially if you like that slow, methodical pace of smoking dudes from long ranges. I was actually really tempted to bring the 50 for this map, but the magazines are quite large. And they take up a lot of space. I was actually able to play this co-op with my brother a little while ago, and it was awesome co-op. We actually did a couple missions normal where we just did like whatever loadouts. And then we did like the Metal Gear Solid style go in with only a knife. And that was hilarious. Because it really takes some skill to be able to stab a guy in this game and not die. Alright, let's see what we got here. I would love me an elevated sniping position. No, not quite. Oh, hello, hello, hello. Nah. Let's move. I feel like I can find a better spot to shoot from. Maybe this little hillock. I can shoot from this little hillock here. Just have me a little fucking lie down. Oh, here we go. Okay, I definitely saw two guys fuck off into the desert over there. Alright, so this is gonna be the move here. Damn. Gotta shoot a little higher. Oh, through the fence! No offense. It doesn't look like there's up. Yeah, we might have somebody looking around. Oh. There are my guys. Yes, my favorite form of combat. Long-range self-defense. No. Do you think I could? Maybe there? Oh, I hit him! I saw blood. Higher. There we go, that's the ticket. Alright, it looks like he's right... That range is right at the top of the post mark there. Damn it, sucks I missed his friend. I gotta see if there is a rangefinder in the armory. Because as somebody who's done a lot of sniping in Arma, a rangefinder is really nice. Alright, there's a good chance he's looking for me. I don't know who the hell that was. Alright, we're just gonna keep moving. Alright, sick. Oh, what? I didn't put any in my fucking kit? Or in my mag vest? Or whatever? Yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot of sniping on this one, so gotta make sure I have these in my mag vest. And of course, some 40 mics, just to make sure, just in case people want to get a little disagreeable. A little disagreeably. I think he's right there. Yeah, that's hit. Oh, damn it. Yeah, the trick with this game is to definitely look around, scope out, look for things. I will say having optics in this game gives you a massive advantage. I mean, I'm even rocking was the M16A4 with an ACOG, little Trichicom, or yeah, Trichicom ACOG. Nice $1,400 piece of kit. Oh, yo! Could I do a really long shot? I don't know if you saw that. No, that's crazy, right? That's crazy. Oh, shit, dude! Just stay still, you guys. Well, I might have fucked up a little bit. I just want to do long-range, super cool kill shots, man. Those guys are definitely coming though. Let's get up here and seek some higher ground, shall we? There they are. There's my guys. There's my guys. Oh shit. Huh? Seems weird. Why is that going so high? What the fuck? Okay, well, homeboy's getting a little closer, so I'm gonna go ahead and move back real quick. Is it because I'm, like, suppressed? Is that why I'm not able to get the shot I want on him? There we go. That's weird. Why was I getting such a weird, high shot on that? Was there a guy just behind that rock? Or was I imagining things? There's still definitely a guy missing in action right now. Because, homeboy's partner up here dipped out, and I did not see where he went. There we go, there we go. There's some fellers. I brought a lot of magazines. You know what? Let's take a quick look around. Just try to see if we've got any surprises waiting for us. There's another guy right there. I'm gonna go up on these hills over here. I swear to God, man, these cacti. From a distance, they look like there's a guy behind them. All right, now we just we gonna walk. See, look at that. That looked like a guy. Also, like I said, I still have a dude MIA on my side here. But that's okay. That's okay. Okay, you want to try the, Oh. I just want to see what kind of range I can get with this thing. Are you kidding me? It's 40 mic. Fucking popping in there. No. M203. M203. Fucking... Well, riddle me this. Why can't I shoot it? It's not like I have a bayonet on the end of the damn thing. Alright, so that's where I am, eh? Let's get up on the hillside. Gotta be careful going through these hills, too. Like I said, there are, like, super random patrols. Like, when I was playing this with my brother, like, on our way out, we ran into 2 randoms just in the middle of the fucking desert while we were heading to the exfil. When I say the middle of the desert, I mean, like, nowhere near any of the objectives, no nothing. I'm a big fan of that. I'm a big fan of the random patrols out here. In the Mojave. I don't know what desert we're supposed to be in. Oh, there he is. There he is. There he is. Holy shit. Alright, let's aim away from him. Kinda. Okay, there. This is gonna be. Oh, thank you. That's... Oh, you lucky prick. Oh, there's another guy. There's another guy. There's another guy. Wow, I can barely see him. That's fucking crazy. There's our guy. There's our guy. Boink. Oh! Oh man, yo, oh, woof. Oh, whoa, good thing they threw smoke, or else, oh man, I might not be able to see them, oh, darn. Whoop, I have found another man. I have found several mians. Oh! The loudest sound in the world is when you go to pull the trigger on your gun and it clicks. You first? Huh? Damn. Gotta give it to him for just absolutely eating that 7.62. This guy's alone, huh? Oh, never mind. Oh my god, what happened? Oh my god, what happened? Oh. Shit. The whole ass convoy. How many mags we got? Alright, well, since I can't use the goddamn... Why can't I use the 40 millis? Fucking ridiculous shit. I just want to use the 40 mics for fuck's sake. Do I have any more coffee? Oh, there's some good fucking coffee right there. Whoopa. God, I really want to use the 50. And I say that because I know...
Resistance is heavier than anticipated. Move carefully.
I say that because I know it's got the reach out and touch you power to absolutely hammer these dudes. Yeah, this game is so good. If anybody on channel has it, let me know, because we could maybe set up a day where we get a few people on this. I don't know how many players co-op it is, but it'd be bitchin' if it was like 8. Turn it up to the hardest difficulty and just go for it. Fair warning though, like when you die in this in multiplayer, unless a friend can get over and revive you, you just stay dead. Come on. I have a feeling I won't be able to get up this. See, look, that looked like 2 guys over there. God damn it. Opa. Yes, I get up to where I need to be and where I am wanting. Yeah, as big as these maps are, I wonder if there's like any sick little Easter eggies. Oh, I see you, you pricks. I'm guessing there? I don't get why I'm getting high shots on that. Maybe I have more to learn about the bullet dynamics in this game. Yeah, it's hard to tell, but unless you use it, or unless you're doing like long distance shooting, there is almost no drop off. There's your partner. Partner! Yeah, there's a, what is it, the M70? Like the Remington 700, but the military one. I'm pretty sure that's what that is in this game. I think that gun has a little bit more distance before drop-off. Look at these little fucking guys. Thought I heard something for a second. But I think that's got a little less drop-off, but I'm not too sure. And also, you can't suppress it, which kind of sucks. Because a weapon report in this game is fucking loud. Like, even when I was playing co-op, what the fuck, I could have swore I just saw a guy. Even when I was playing co-op, with a suppressor, my brother had a suppressor, and you could still hear I mean, it definitely nails. It's some real-ass sound design. Oh, okay. For a second, I thought I had a dead pixel on my screen. I was like, no! I can't afford another monitor right now. No! What are you? You're a cactus. God damn it. But yeah, they really nailed the sound design. Because, popular to contrary belief... or contrary to popular belief... Jesus, I need to drink more of this coffee. Silencers don't, like, it's not like John Wick. That airport scene bugs the shit out of me. But it only bugs gun nerds. But silencers are actually, it's still very loud. Oh, shit! Oh, shit. Oh! Oh! Oh, I didn't know we'd started. Alright, we're gonna have to sniper wolf these fools. Shit. Okay, shit. Okay. 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 Fucking shit. Are they getting up on me? Oh, that's not the one I want. Come on, Mama needs this. I'm so confused. Remember, it's all about just staying calm and sending follow-up shots. Stay calm, send follow-up shots. Fear is the mind killer. Okay! Them boys might be heading over here. That truck to die. My fucking grenade launcher bugged out, man. That's such a bummer. That's such a bummer. I was relying on that. Hey, could you stop fucking shooting at me, pal? Alright. Fucking... That's a ticket. That's the fucking one I want. Fuck off, you pricks. I'm fucking working. That sounded real. Send more rounds. That's a ticket, bitch. Fuck you. Is that the third truck behind it? Yes, it is. That's a ticket, bitch. Oh, he's just gonna stop behind the thing there? There we go. There's our guy. Alright. How many do I got? Oh, we done run through some magazines, boys. That's okay. That's okay, because we still got a bunch in the bag. It really bums me out that my M203 fucking glitched out. That's fine, but that's fine. We're professionals, we're professionals. Fucking professionals. That's a brave move, pal. You just threw a smoke grenade. That's not gonna help. God, I suck. That's the ticket. Yeah, you should not stay still when a sniper is shooting at you. Seek hard cover. Zigzag. Serpentine. Whatever you want to call it. Look at that guy. Didn't zigzag. Didn't serpentine. Serpentine. Alright, let's go introduce ourselves to the locals. How's my mag on this one looking? Light? How about no? And we just slap a freshie home. Yep. Goodbye, M203A3. I'm going to miss you, but you fucking broke. And I need a gun that works. The nice thing about
convoy is approaching from the north.
The convoy got fucking rocked. There's just one thing I'm a little worried about here. And that's we've got some guys lying down. Laying down? Lying? They're lying about laying. But yeah, the nice thing about fighting these guys, actually a lot of the guys in this game, is they carry Stanig mags. Which is nice, because I can get my absolute fill of 5.56. Come on, there we go. Plus, Stanig mags are fucking cool looking. Look, they're the classic AR mag. That guy's got a sick little setup.
I'm hit.
Yeah. Double tap. I mean, medic check. Oh, look at all those beautiful Stanig mags. I have enough to send it for days. Right, we've made it to the wool. I'm just gonna go check that convoy really quick. Does ambush and destroy the colony or convoy? Wait. They're not sending another one, are they? Okay, I gotta be careful down here. I definitely saw some guys. I can't believe I missed that first shot. Holy shit. I mean, I'm a goddamn tier 1 operator here.
Man down!
Oh! I thought that guy was fucking just crouching over here. I really wish we could vault. Could you imagine if we could, like, climb up on rooftops and stuff? Shit would be sick. The colony done been blown up, right? Like, convoy done been blown up. That's not a vehicle, is it? Nope, those are guys. The weird thing about these guys is none of them carry, like, frag grenades or anything. I don't know, man. That looks pretty fucking blowed up. Do I have to, like... Do I have to go on the spot? They're gonna make me go to the spot. Well, let's go back through this treacherous-ass town. Yeah, all these are fucked, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, well, let's go to the point, and it'll be like, oh my god, Commander, that was such a good job, holy shit. You guys have some nice-ass gear. No gloves, though. I mean, gloves aren't important, but they definitely make things a little nicer. You just jam a bunch of Vaseline into your gloves. Alright. Ambush! Yuppa! We are here, Neil. I'm gonna go right on the point here.
Covering fire!
Holy shit, dude. Okay, like... Did I miss a vehicle? Okie doke. You know, we're gonna go up top here. Did I accidentally sequence break the game? He laughs nervously. I wonder how long all the gear and bodies stay in the game world for. Because, I mean, there should be an absolute shitload of empty magazines on top of that mountain over there. Also, I'm going to send some more rounds into those trucks just to make sure. Yeah, those look pretty fucked up. But hey, who knows? Maybe I sequence broke the game on accident. But I mean, it's still good, you know? It's, what, three trucks in the convoy, I assume? Look at that guy. Standing there. Dork. Oh, oh no, oh no. Oh no, oh no. Alright, we're gonna just send some rounds into these bad boys. Yeah, that's pretty fucked. They're broken. What is this other marker they're showing me? Oh, the waypoints? I totally broke it, didn't I? Alright, well, we're gonna just keep moving towards exfil. I'm gonna keep playing this like a normal map, and if I can't exfil, then that means I gotta beat this off camera again. But that's okay, because I actually enjoy this game. So it's all good. Oh, right. How many mags we got? 5 plus a light mag. Yeah. I hope at some point they add some sort of, like, mag check. Or something, because I'd like a little bit more, like, I guess, precise numbers of my magazine, like how many rounds I got left in the mag. I mean, it's not like a huge deal, and I mean, when you shoot in real life, you don't know exactly how many rounds you have unless you're counting, which isn't too hard either, but you just kind of feel it. Look at these guys. Idiots. Ah, that cactus looks just like a guy. Okay, oh! 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 There is another vehicle. Holy shit. Holy shit. Okay, I think I can get him. I think I can get him from here. Was he still moving? Oh, fuck. Can he leave the map? Alright, we look pretty solid. Fuck, there he is. Okay, it looks like the bottom of the post. Ah, that's good coffee.
The convoy is destroyed.
Yeah!
Good work. Move to the extraction point to the east.
Okay, so there was 4. Holy shit. Oh, I almost did it. Oh, that guy has no idea how close to death he came. Phenomenal. Alright. Let's see here, boys. There we go. Okay. Looks like we got that. That's a hit. Oh my god, dude. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we get a little bit of fall off. Hello. Damn it, magazine, stop moving around. God, sniping in this game is so fun. I mean, it feels like sniping in Arma, which is just, like, such a pleasure as well. Oh, there's my guy. You have a friend? You have a friend with you? No? Yes. Oh, shit, did you see that? That was a ricochet. Also, he laid down, damn it. Ah, you sneaky prick. I mean, he did the right move, you know? I lost line of sight. Because you know what they say? If you can see a sniper, he's already seen you. I don't know if they say that, actually. But they would say that, had they thought of it. Alright, let's just keep this party rolling. I feel pretty confident in how clear everything is. Where's exfil? Where is exfil? Oh, it is here, to the east. Damn cactus. That one guy laying down, that sucks. But he probably won't move. I'd assume. Hell yeah. I really hope eventually we get drivable vehicles in this game. Because the maps are pretty damn big. And honestly, I'm not, like, against the slow, methodical pacing, but sometimes, like... I honestly, the only time I really noticed it, there were 2 times, and that's one, if you die in a map and you don't save, because you can save at any time. You can save at any time during these maps. I just don't, because I'm so cool, elite gamer dude. And then another time is when I was playing co-op. So I was playing co-op, and my brother I was with, we fell out of the helicopter on accident, and we ended up just restarting because I didn't feel like walking almost 3 miles back to his body. But, like, if we had, like, a vehicle or something, and, like, if you had more people in the map, and there were multiple objectives being done, or, like, say there was a guy up on that mountain, and I was over here, and he got smoked, or I got smoked, getting to your teammate would just be a little faster. The process would be expedited just a little bit. But that's not, like, a gripe or anything. That sounds like my Blackbird. Or Black Hawk. Oh yeah, UH-60 baby! Or UAH... I don't know. There's so many military designations to remember. I wouldn't go down there. The LZ's hot! The LZ's hot! I fucking don't know where that one guy went. LZ's hot! Let's turn on the tripe shot. Also, I don't think there's a sprint in this game. Hit. 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 I have no fucking idea where that guy laying down went. Either he laid down, or I got him. I'll have to review the footage later. I'm not gonna review the footage. I'm just gonna go with I totally got him because I'm such a good shot. Oh, avoid those rotors. Shit! Fucking go! Fucking go!
Mexican CNI has tracked down the origin of time to cut off their manufacturing.
Woo, we did it, woo! Alright, well, I'm gonna fucking... So, anyway, thank you all so much for watching. This is Dagger Directive. And, it's not loading. It's not loading my goddamn grenades. But this is Dagger Directive. It's a real fun game. If you're into, like, the old Delta Force or Operation Flashpoints or even Arma. It's real fun. It's real good. And, I mean... Oh, that's the war crime gun. But it's real fun, real good. There's a lot of weapons so far. It's still in early access. But I think for an early access game, it is very flushed out. And there are, I think... 3 or 4 complete campaigns that I think have like 5 or 6 missions a pop. So, anyway, that being said, thank you all again so much for watching a secondary time. And as usual, I will catch you in that next video. Peace out.